Have you ever caught yourself thinking about going for a ride in a competition spec drift car? Well, now's that time. I'm Jake Fastnage, D1NZ Pro Sport Driver, and this is my 500 horsepower LS3 GT86. As you know now, Drift Academy, TechSpan, Motorsport and myself have been working with Canteen to organise this epic day with you guys. 29th of October 2023, down at Meremere Drift Park, let's create some forever lasting memories.
Yeah, gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah, better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick but I'm harder than all of this.
Hey guys, welcome to a very special video. Today we've got my event DRIFTEEN with Canteen, TechSpan Motorsport and Drift Academy. I'm taking some Canteen participants drifting with me today, sharing a bit of the experience, showing them what it's all about. So we're gonna have a good day. 86 here, ready to go. So gonna get into driver's briefing, have a chat with them all, get to meet them. Gonna jump on track, shred it.
For the very first time, a brainchild that's been put together by that guy Drift, TechSpan Motorsport. I'd like to introduce you first of all to your hosts and team for the day. Probably the most important person today, of course, is Jake. Jake, so if you could just step out here. You're hiding, I mean, you're not that easy to hide, but you're not going to, hiding behind that pole is not working that well for you. So Jake's your pilot for the day. He's to blame, right? I mean, he's either going to make you have a great day or a really, really good day, right? So you're feeling good, Jake? Yeah, you're feeling happy? Just, I'd love to get your thoughts. Why this? What's the idea here, man?
Well, it's a bit of a long story, but...
Make it a short one. It's very cold.
I really... soft spot, cancer and people affected by cancer. So it's a big special thing, yeah.
All right, awesome. So that's a great motivation, right? So Jake wants to put on the best possible day for you guys. So I will just quickly introduce the team to you, and then I'm going to run through a quick safety briefing, and then we're going to get to what you guys are here for, which is getting suited and booted and getting in the car, right?
Kia ora everybody, morena. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you, Jake and Tim, and everybody at TechSpan, and for creating DRIFTEEN at Canteen. We're so happy, we're so appreciative of this. So just a big props to you, and we're all really excited. Can I get a whoop whoop?
Please don't put them out the window.
What are you most excited about?
Just
going fast.
That's awesome.
I really like that he's going fast.
We hope for good news.
I'm still not entirely sure of the extent of this.
But the news only got worse.
It was the most terrifying moment any of us have ever spent in our life.
it takes the cake.
Awesome, bro. Glad you had fun, man. That's the one.
Ordinary people join with police in searching for the victims.
Alright, what happened there, Ed?
Oh, just a little, you know, emergency landing.
Emergency landing? Where's the battery? Oh, where is the battery?
God knows.
Oh no. No way!
We're covered. We're covered.
Today here down at the drift park, finished up DRIFTEEN, canteen. Oh, it was great. Mountains of smiles and laughs and stuff that we brought to them today was amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say really. Like, it felt so rewarding for me to be able to do this with them and share it with them. And like, they all had laughs. Like, as I'm just speechless, man. It was so like, very happy and just good. It's hard to explain how I feel. Like, it's good, but like emotional, like good emotional. And I'm just tired as well, so I'm like, happy. But yeah, car's in one piece-ish. Well, yeah, one piece, but a bit of oil everywhere.
Oh dear.
Yeah,
Better fix that before MSC, eh?
yeah.
Get to
Competition
it.
in 2 weeks. So,
Is that it?
yeah, bro, 2 weeks.
Oh, we better get ready then, because
Yeah.
it's going to be a big one.
Yeah.
All right.
I'd say a massive thank you to everyone. Hey.
Shut up.
To everyone that did help, my crew, Chance for bringing his cars down, Sky for using the drift track, Fastmasters for suits and helmets, Me for doing the shirts that we've got done. There's a couple of others I can't think of off the top of my head right now. I'm just knackered. So, flip the car up, shoot, back to Texman, unload, go home, sleep.
Choice.
So, thank you.